Ever wondered what it means to move like your ancestors? Let's explore the 7 primal movement patterns at Elements4Life. At Elements4Life, we believe in training the body as nature intended. We focus on 7 primal movement patterns that build strength, flexibility, and resilience. What are they? First up, we have the squat. This foundational move strengthens your legs and core, setting the base for powerful movement. Next is the lunge. Perfect for balance and coordination, lunges challenge each leg individually. Third, the push. Think push-ups and bench presses. These moves build upper body strength like no other. Then there's the pull. Pull-ups and rows engage your back and biceps, giving you that well-rounded power. Fifth, we have the hinge. Power cleans and hip thrusts train your posterior chain, critical for everyday movements. Up next, the rotate. Twisting motions strengthen your obliques and spine, making you more agile and stable. Finally, we have the gait. Walking, running, and carrying. These natural movements keep you functional and fit. By mastering these 7 primal movement patterns, you'll unlock your body's true potential. Say goodbye to boring routines and hello to a stronger, more agile you. Join us at Elements4Life and start moving like the primal being you were meant to be. Your journey to ultimate fitness starts here. So are you ready to move? Let's get primal.